Okay, we have our Santa Claus done. The outfit is handmade, completely carved out of wood. Mouth works good. Ho, ho, ho. Comes dressed as Sane. The hands are carved out of wood. Want the hat off. It's got a lot of hair. The hair is attached with staples. So is the mustache and the mouth. The eyes are acrylic. The inside has a rubber band on it, so it helps to hold the head still for you. The head off, you can use, it has a ring lever, so you can use your thumb. You can use either hand on it. This is adjustable, so you can make it higher up or lower down depending on what you like. But he is finished. And I'll be posting the videos on my YouTube page of how I made him in time. So if you have to make repairs, you take the wig off. The back of the head is screwed on. You unscrew that if you have to get inside for anything. Makes it easier access, and then just staple the wig back on. But he is done and ready to go. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like. Thank you. Oh, I was gonna... almost forgot. The back of the body, it's cut out, so you don't have to go up underneath. It's cut out. And there's a hook in here with a rubber band so you can attach it to the head. Thanks for watching.